She. All right, we're gonna be replacing that winch. We use the deep ones, so you get a big strap in there. Because we use a 40-foot strap, 5,400 pounds, perfect. It'll go all the way over. Just cut it right there, hit it down with a hammer. That easy. Cut the top, hit it down, clean it all up. We use these Kimball Midwest 4.5-inch grinding rocks. They're made for like stainless, aluminum, different stuff like that, but boy, does it move some metal. Part number KM 872500. And I just wanted to say, always make sure your lock right here is on that side facing the front. Because if not, it ain't gonna lock, it ain't gonna work. Requires a 1/4 inch of penetration. I don't know, but it's that easy, guys. Put your strap on there. We always put these hooks right here. That way your strap isn't sitting up here and every time it gets unloaded, it cuts it. And a winch handle. Can't beat that.